Today on Pampered Chef Recipes, we're going to be unboxing our brand new Pampered Chef Multi-Cooker. Okay, so here we go. I got this today. And you can see it says that you can pressure cook, sous vide, slow cook, and make homemade yogurt. All right. The first thing out of the box is a bag. It's a bag in a box. Your cooking guide. So I find these guides useful with getting to know your product. So it's got 16 presets, a steam release button, center display, cancel button, the lid rest tab, so the lid will come off and you can rest it on either side, the steam release valve, the pressure indicator, lid rest slots. There's an inner steel pot, wire rack, an on-off switch on this one, as well as a cord storage and carrying handles. So let's get into this. Oh, it's also got your safety, use, and care information. All right. So, next thing out, big box, the next thing out is one of our wire racks. Okay. And then plastic. Oh, and the cord. Nice. Not easy. All right. Oh, there's your first look. I need to be taller for this. There we go. It's not heavy, it's just cumbersome. Okay. So, here we are. Cord. Ah. So we've got closed and open, and you saw that happen. And then you've got your rest, and it will go in either slot on either side. So if you need to use your container or your appliance on this side, then you can get in this side. If you're on that side, you can rest your lid and not have to figure out where to put your lid, right? Then you've got your stainless steel pot that goes on the inside. Just like that. There we go. So you can see the settings. We've got custom, sear, egg, poultry, beef, pork, seafood, white rice, whole grains, soup, beans, dessert, steam, slow cook, sous vide, yogurt, and sterilize. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see all of the recipes that we're going to make in our new Deluxe Multi-Cooker. And if you'd like to get yours for your kitchen, you can click the link down below in the description. Thanks for watching.